Hey everyone, why don't you go back in time with me? We're going to go back to 1978 in this time capsule here. This has 6,500 actual miles. It's an original survivor with a neat story. The original owner, and it's all documented here in this book, bought the car brand new. He convinced the dealer that he was going to pay the sales tax in his own county. So he took the car, never registered it, never titled it, never paid the tax. He parked the car. He owned it for 30 years. He sold the car in 2008. Well, actually, his family did. He passed away. That's why the car got sold. And it only had 196 miles on it at that time. That owner bought the car and did meticulous maintenance to the car. And it's in this logbook. You ever see one of those logbooks with a car where every time he put gas in it, he wrote down how much the gas cost per gallon, changed a filter, that sort of thing. So the car was serviced and he enjoyed the car. He put most of the miles that are on the car going to car shows. It's all documented in this logbook, along with the window sticker and other literature and title registrations and brochures and manuals that'll all go with this car. Now it's the top of the line flagship model 1978 Eldorado Biarritz Astro Roof. It has the sunroof, loaded up car. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. There's a QR code on your screen. Scan it at any time. It'll bring you right to this car, along with the link in the description. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. And don't worry, I'm not going to charge by the pound. But these cars are special. If you ever drove in one of these cars, there's nothing else like it, and there never will be. There's some nice luxury cars that perform very well. These are different. They just float. You sink into those pillow seats. It's like you're in heaven. So it's all original. Big, long pieces of sheet metal, and it is straight. It's not damaged. It's not banged up. The car lived in Texas the first 30 years in a real dry environment all the way down. There's no rust blistering up, nothing like that. Big giant doors open and close properly. Quarter panels are all nice and clean, all rust-free, straight, virgin metal on the car. Cortillion white, I believe, is the color. It has a real nice shine. Under garage lights, you'll see light imperfections in the surface of the paint. I was just looking at it out in the daylight, and it looks like a brand new show quality paint job. It has the painted on red pinstripes from the factory. Being the Biarritz, it has the half Landau padded top along with this extra stainless trim, and it has the Astro roof. It was a pretty expensive addition to the car, and a lot of them did not have that. It has the optional thermometer on the mirror. Overall, the chrome is all very nice, straight, clean. It does have a 1978 sticker from his town. It has the light monitoring in the fender. Up front here, all the chrome is all very nice. It's got a little age, a little patina, but it sparkles. You stand back and look at it as a whole. It's beautiful. Power antenna works. The original glass is crystal clear. Original hubcaps are mint. Tires have all been replaced. Big rocker moldings. Everything about it. The vinyl top is all looking real nice. The fillers are all in excellent shape. And coming around the back bumpers, just like the front, all looking really good. Let's open it up. You're going to love the interior. I know I do. So it has a power trunk release in the glove box. That's what I used. Here's the name of the dealership, Alderson in Lubbock, Texas. That's where it was bought new. This is all clean and original. The stickers, the light, even the weather strips in real nice shape. Now, the gentleman that was using the car was taking it to car shows, pampering the car. I think he had this frame. There's the 8-track that came with it, the manual. It's probably a tool for the sunroof. Original license plate frames. This here is the original paper floor mat that came with it. There's the name of the dealership. And then, of course, all lined very nicely. This rubber mat was an option. That's on the window sticker. You have the complete jack and spare assembly, even the wooden block that comes with the Cadillacs to prop the tire. That's never been out of the car or used. It's a very nice, clean trunk. And we made sure there's no bodies left in there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Nice, clean, original jams. All the rubber is still soft. Interior is all original and really well kept. Look at the white door panels. They're not cracked or split up. The interior lights work. Chrome is shiny. The wood grain is still real nice looking. Oh, these seats are nice. So the whole dash area is excellent. All the chrome, it's chrome plastic back then. It's all mint. It has the delayed wipers. It has the auto headlight dimmer. It has climate control. You just set it to the temperature you want. Cruise control. 6,517 actual miles right now. Rear defogger, that was optional. Has the power antenna. Has the deluxe AM/FM 8-track stereo with the CB. What's your handle? I think mine would be Boss Hog. The ashtray, never been used. One guy probably lit a cigarette once with that. All mint. I hear the clock running. It's actually working. You have the little trash receptacle here. All this is mint. And this is the book that'll come with the car. We'll have some copies or pictures of that on the website. The original Cadillac floor mat. Everything's excellent. It has these pillow seats. Oh my God. All white leather, just to die for. It's the end of the day here, and boy, it feels good sitting in these seats. Both seats are power. It's split, and they're power. That was an option on the window sticker. Has the floor mat in back. Back seat looks like it may not have ever been sat in. I don't see a mark in it. Everything back here is in really mint condition. Bright white headliner. Of course, looking up at the sunroof, it is a power sunroof. Also has the shade for them sunny days. Oh, here's that tool. You put that in there, you can crank the sunroof if it ever stops working. Also, a lit up vanity mirror. That's an option on the window sticker. Driver don't get one. Then the steering wheel's mint. It's a tilt telescopic. I think that was another option. So a really, really nice interior. I love the white with the red accents too. Very sharp. Of course, the miles really intrigued me. The story intrigued me. I loved the colors. And then being an Eldorado Biarritz sunroof car, that just sealed the deal. So that's a huge 425 cubic inch engine. It makes a whopping 180 horsepower. So this is a cruiser. It's not going to win races, but it just glides down the road. All stock. You know, the air cleaner, valve covers, everything about it is all stock, clean, orderly, very well maintained, well serviced. The horns blast real loud. I tried them. All the HEI ignition, power steering, even all the duct work for the air cleaner is all there. This would be the air pump for the ride leveler. Honestly, those were trouble back in the day. I know it has air shocks. I don't know if that's still hooked up. Most time they're disconnected. It's a hydro boost power brake system. Squirters are hooked up. Has the hood insulation. All right, Michael's gonna take you for a ride, show you how heavenly it is, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Boy, that is a smooth running engine right there. Can barely hear this car accelerating, and she is literally floating over all these bumps and cracks in the road. I think this seat is more comfortable than my pillow top mattress at home. The steering is just easy as could be. So fluid, you could literally do it with one finger. And then we got a nice consistent brake pedal too. How good of a time. We got the sunroof open, and life is good. You know, what a beautiful day and a beautiful car to be cruising. Only showing 6,518 miles on the odometer. It's in exceptional condition. Started right up in our showroom and didn't do anything we didn't want it to. I'm really excited to be driving this car. You feel special when you're in it, that's for sure. Let's see what she's got. And we are cruising at 60 miles an hour. I'm absolutely in love. It's got to feel very similar to when it rolled off the showroom floor some odd years ago. What a time capsule. And what a cream puff, I tell you. Amazing experience, and you'd be hard pressed to find another one. If you think you got time, come take it for a test drive. You're always more than welcome here. Consider pushing the buy it now button and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So it has a trunk pull down as well. Also, that side is optional 6-way power seat. There's another switch, it automatically reclines too. So pretty well loaded up car, because the Biarritz comes with a lot of options, and this has a whole list of options beyond that. Underneath the car, dry as a bone. The floors are spotless as the factory, like primered floors going on the middle, and then it has the Cadillac original undercoat sound deadener as well. And it's just been really serviced and maintained. The logbook will come with it. Looking up at the motor, it's front wheel drive. It's all super nice and clean. According to the log, I did notice he had the transmission rebuilt. I guess from sitting, something was gone wrong in the transmission. That was rebuilt a while ago. Original numbers match motor and transmission. Might be the original exhaust, or he replaced it with a GM muffler. It says GM right on it. Still has a catalytic converter. And again, underneath is just very nice disc brakes at all 4 wheels. And the gentleman that the second owner, well, no, he'd actually be the first owner. The first owner never registered the car, so he technically doesn't count as an owner. It was first registered in 2008, and that gentleman owned it until 2023, I believe. And he's the one who's been enjoying it and driving it and serviced it. So it's the best of both worlds. It's a time capsule, but you can get in and use it. If it had 200 miles on it, you wouldn't drive it. You'd want to just put it in a bubble. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions. This is a remarkable find. Thanks for watching.